Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today in this session we discuss complete solution of periodic test 1 2024-25 class 4 mathematics DAV Public School Odisha zone. So let's start the session. First comment your expected score after see the session in comment box. So let's begin the session. Total full mark 20 mark. Okay, section A, choose the correct option. If you download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Okay, or you can screenshot. This is section A. Okay, 2 mark and 7, total 9 mark short questions, and 2 mark is 4. Okay, next section C, that is case based study or value based questions, 3 mark. Next section D, that is long questions. Okay, so now start. First question, using the digit 32907 only once the greatest 5 digit number. Okay, how to write the greatest 5 digit number? Now first we write the digit from greatest to smallest. So first we write 9, then 7, then 3, then 2, then 0. This is the correct answer, option number D. Next question, the number which we add is called dash. Now that is called addend. Next question, 1000 dash 100, that is 1000, because in 1000 there is 3 zeros are there, but in 100 there is double zero. So how many zeros are required? Now 1 zero, that is 10. 100 is equal to 1000, but 1 lakh is 100,000. Okay, now next question number 4, the sum of place value of 8 and 5 is the number this. Now first we write 8 and 5, then for 4 we write 0, then 0 0 0. This is the correct answer. Or you can write the place value of 8, that is 8 lakh, and 5 is 5000. Now add. Okay, next question, question number 5, 400 more than the successor of 399. So first we find the successor of 399, that is 400, then plus, more than means plus 400, that is 800. Next question, 5 lakh into dash equal to 50 lakh. 5 into dash equal to 50. Now that is 5 into 10 equal to 50. So answer is 10. Next question, not 10 lakh, that is 10. Okay, next question, 20 plus 202 plus 2002 plus 20,002. So simply we add. First write down 20,002, next 2002, next 202, and 26, 2222. So answer is 22,226. Okay, now next question, question number 8. I am between 800 and 900. I have the same digit in all places. Sorry, all places. So correct answer is 8 8 8. Yes or no? Next question, 36 plus 36 plus 36 dot dot 100 times. We know that suppose we add 4 plus 4 plus 4 3 times, we can write 4 into 3. Yes or no? That is 12. देखो add करो, 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12. Means we know that the repetition addition is multiply. So we multiply 36 with 100. How many times? Now 100 times. So answer is 3600. Understand? 6 number is important. Only 10 have. Okay. Next question. Question number B. The difference between the two number is given. So first write down solution. Difference equal to 75,770, sorry, 760, and the greater number, okay, greater number equal to 1,50,055. Next, find the smaller number. So write down smaller number equal to, we subtract, that is 150,055 minus difference, that is 75760. Now subtract, that is 150,055 minus 75,760. So 505 1569, here is 972954, here is 4 4 and 1477. Okay, so answer is, the smaller number is 74,295. Okay, now next, 835, sorry, 8,35,608 in expanded from form in any two different way. Okay, 835,608, 835,608 in two different way. Okay, first we can write 8 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Okay, and the second one is 8 lakh 30,000 5,600 0 then 8. This is the 2a of expanded from this number. Next question, section number C, question number 12. Anmol and Deepak and Krishna are good friends. Of these three friends, Krishna has very poor. He was not able to buy new books and new set of uniform for this new class. Anmol and Deepak wanted to help. Okay, they spoke to their parents and gave 1,250 and 1,075 it helped to Krishna, and it helped the Krishna to buy the books and uniform. Then find the question number A. How much money did Anmol and the Deepa give to Krishna? First write down. Anmol gave equal to 1,250. Then Deepak gave to Krishna. Okay, to Krishna equal to rupees 1,075. Now total, now R, that is 5 2 3, that is 2, 2,325. Okay, next question number B. How do you feel when you help other? Now very happy and satisfied. Okay, next question number 13, that is long questions. Rajat saves rupees 350 every month. So write down, this is word problem. So you write, so first you write Rajat saves money in 1 month equal to rupees 350. Now you should find question number I. In 12 months, write down Rajat save saves money in 12 months equal to 350 into 12. Now multiply 0, 0 carry 1, 6, 7, then 0, then 1 5 ja 5, 1 3 ja 3. Now add, that is 0, 0, 2, 4. That is 4200. Next, question number double I, 4 year. So write Rajat saves money in 4 year, or that is 4 12 ja 48. Okay, 48 month, that is 350 into 48. Now multiply 350 into 48, that is 8, 0 ja 0, 8 5 ja 40, 8 3 ja 24, 28, 4 0 ja 0, 4 5 ja 20, carry 2, 4 3 ja 12, 2 14. Now add 0, 0 8, 6 1. So answer is rupees 16800. That is 16,800 rupees. Okay. Now next, odd number. Find the total cost of fencing 375 plot of land. If the cost of fencing one plot of land is this, means multiply. So write down cost of fencing or questions solution. This is the last questions. Okay. After see the session, then you comment your score in comment box. Okay. यदि वीडियो टी पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिबो. Okay. Total cost of fencing of the land, if the cost of, write down cost of fencing one plot of land equal to rupees 850. Now write down cost of fencing 375 plots of land equal to 850 into 375. Now multiply 5 0 ja 0, 5 5 ja 25, 5 carry 2, then 5 8 ja 40, 42, 7 0 ja 0, 35 carry 3, 7 8 ja 56, then 59, then 3 0 ja 0, 3 5 ja 15, 5 carry 1, 3 8 ja 24, 25. Now add 0 to 0, then 5. Okay, then 5 plus 2 7, 9 plus 5 14, 4 18, 8 carry 1, 5 plus 5 10, 1 11, carry 1, that is 3. So answer is rupees 3,18,750 rupees. Okay, so write down hence. Okay, hence total cost of fencing 375 plot of land equal to 3,18,750. Understand? So completed. Thank you.